Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another clean with me. Today is going to be more of like carpet cleaning. It's going to be kind of a seasonal carpet cleaning and general tidying up. I really needed to tidy up my office and give that a deep clean. And then my dog was sick the other night and she threw up in my bedroom and on my rug. Of course she couldn't, vomit on the hardwood, but that's okay. It's very hard to move a vomiting dog, if you guys know what I mean. So today, let's go ahead and get into it. And also, you guys will not believe how disgusting my carpets were. I just cleaned them a month or two ago, I think 2 to 3 months, and they are disgusting.
Still wanna be with you. I think you want it too.
So now on to the carpet cleaning. I'm using the Hoover Power Dash, I believe. It's for pet owners. I did a lot of research into it. If you guys follow a guy here on YouTube called Vacuum Wars, he does great reviews. So I bought it off of his recommendation and I love it. It was a little bit pricey, but you guys see I do have a dog, so I am cleaning my carpets quite a bit because of her little accidents, but I still love her, so it's definitely a good investment.
Even if I can't deny that all the things you say are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be.
Okay, you guys are gonna kill me, but I don't know why this looks like coffee with cream on the top, or a dark beer with the foam on the top. I'm sorry, I know that's disgusting. You guys are probably freaking out in the comments right now, but now you will never be able to unsee it. The next thing I'm gonna do, so I really wanted to get this living room rug cleaned up, so I knew that this was gonna have to let it dry, and this is my main living area, so I wanted to get it done first. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this and then clean the carpet, and then while that dries, we'll head into my office.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause
I know you guys are gonna ask, and that's an exercise bench, pardon me. And why do I have it in my office? Well, because my gym, I upgraded that bench into a movable bench, it moves up and down for my gym. And my gym is very tiny, it's just a spare bedroom, and it's smaller than my office. And so I didn't have enough space for both of them, so it's currently living in my office because I tried to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, and for the love of God, do not sell anything on Facebook Marketplace that is over $100. You will get scammed, and I don't know what to do with the bench. I went ahead and dusted on top of my vanity because I hadn't done this since I put those decorations up there. So I whipped out my duster, and you guys are gonna see me like looking, yeah. So I don't know if it's just the texture of the wood or what, but it looked like it was coated in dust, but nothing was coming off on my fingers, and it still like looked like there was dust. You're seeing me look at it weird, but I just, you know, I was like, well, I've wiped it down twice now. It's good as it's gonna get. So I did it to both sides, and then we're going to wipe down the surface of the vanity and the drawer. And I don't know why, but the camera was turned off when I did my other two mirrors. And I didn't want to clean them again because if you guys know, you know, once you get a mirror like streak-free and clean and perfect, you don't really want to mess it up. So I just filmed me doing this last one, and then I'm just going to vacuum as the last step. We're not going to carpet clean in here. I just didn't feel like it was needed. And that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please hit the like button and leave me a comment down below.